liked me was because of LTS.
I am handling the chart family. Yes, same. I am handling the chart family.
It's a wonderful feeling to be back with the LTS family.
It's like a family, it's my second home. We are from Calcutta Girls High School. My name is Sukaya Kantewala.
My name is Poona Meher. I love this process of learning here in LTS, and that's why we call it our home.
Prominent among them being teamwork, coordination and several other things, and LTS has truly changed me.
Ignite is, of course, it's my first time and it's really amazing. I love the experience.
I'm Father John Rogers S.J., the Director of Leadership Training Service, a movement for students in schools and colleges. A warm welcome to our viewers. This video brings to you a glimpse of Ignite Edition 9, a student-initiated, eco-friendly, non-sponsored winter carnival, one of the best-rated programs in the LTS. Though Ignite is a carnival with a variety of interesting events, we are not going to present to you the program, its various stalls or the other items, as such attractions are not the focus of the LTS programs. If they are not in our focus, where is our focus then? We can say with pride that our children are the focus of this program. Thus, in this video, we would like to showcase a bunch of confident youth to the world. Through this video, along with the schools that are committed to the ideals of the LTS and the motivated parents of the organizing committee members, we would like to tell the LTS members that we, as their well-wishers, love them and would like to see them doing well in life and groom themselves as people of substance. We would like to see them emerging as future leaders wherever they are, with a set of values based on ethics, well-proved leadership principles, ecological concerns, collaboration, appreciation of various religious traditions, and so on. We would like them to herald the emergence of a new world which is based on mutual trust, service, leadership, teamwork, dialogue, appreciation of diversity in unity, and the like. As we begin journeying with our children, let us give an applause to our children, the teenagers and youth of today, so that they may become pioneers of a better world. Thank you.
I'm Hussain Kamal and I started my LTS classes when I was in class 6, and when I came here for the first time I was very scared and I was too nervous. I didn't talk with people, I didn't know what to say on stage. And I really made many friends. I enjoy and now I feel like I'm a family member.
मेरी बेटी मैंने यहाँ पे भेजी थी, LTS का बहुत सारा नाम सुनी थी, तो ये पहले बहुत ही कम मैंने बातचीत करता था, उतना ज़्यादा तेज़ भी नहीं था, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद काफ़ी मैंने इसके अंदर चेंजिंग आया, बात करने का, हर एक चीज़ का मैंने काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुआ.
Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Kumar Jaiswal. I'm Mohammad Amal and this is Gautam Lakhani. We all are from St. Joseph's College and we are also the LTSs and we all have organized the Ignite Edition 9.
I would like to tell on my part what I have been a part of in this edition. So basically, this time we have introduced something new, which is a disco session, which in the previous Ignite 8 editions we haven't introduced. So this time we have introduced a discussion which was I in charge of. So it was a really great and new experience for me as well, because previously we did not have any such thing. It was a great experience as the planning part was also very fabulous.
How to greet people and how to welcome them. Even I had to take care of the security. Even I was there for the cleanliness. I made sure that no one throws any at least no one did, but I was clearing out that no one throws any garbage here and there.
I'm Siddharth Jaiswal, and my part was for selling the coupons, and I was also the finance manager of this event. I have also learned many things in Ignite edition 9.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। ये फर्स्ट हमारा है, हमने देखा सुबह से आकर हूँ मैं देखी यहाँ पे सब बच्चे लोग किस तरह से एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। एज अ पेरेंट्स, एज अ मदर मैं भी आई हूँ यहाँ पे अपने बच्चे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। तो मैं चाहूँगी ये अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें हर वक्त मिले और मैं हर वक्त अपने बच्चे को सपोर्ट करूँ इसके लिए।
Photo booth is a great attraction, so a lot of people come here. Like since the morning, I think 30-40 people have come here. So it's like great, and for OC members, it's like whenever we want, we can come.
सॉन्ग्स तो मैं चला रहा अच्छा ओके बोल करीब 13 घंटा
Giselle.
My first year when I joined LTS, and I'm there for Ignite. The father is very generous, and he provides us a platform through which we can learn a lot. So we are here to practice and learn how to develop our soft skills like organizing skills, speaking, public speaking.
My name is Ishri Naman and she's my daughter.
So I'm Mehnaz Afin from Loreto House, and I've been a part of LTS from class 9, and this is now class 11. And this time I had volunteered to be a part of this Ignite organizing committee. And usually we have a very big Ignite, and this year it's mini Ignite. So basically we were part of the organizing committee, and I was the event manager. And as the event manager, I had to look into everything that was happening, from the food committee to the games committee.
They are learning a lot. Actually, this is a very good experience for all the children, and they are learning a lot from this. So, and even Father John, he's very supportive. He's bringing everybody together and making them work very nicely. They're learning a lot. It's a very good experience.
Just 5 o'clock we came here.
Are you enjoying a lot?
Yeah, just whatever we did.
The stalls over here mainly are the food based. Which one you would like to eat most?
We're waiting for the kebab right now. So we are waiting for that, and like we are feeling very hungry.
Oh, you are feeling very okay.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Very delicious.
I'm Naveen Kohli. I'm a member of LTS since I was in school. I'm back here after many years, and it's great to see all of the students here working hard. It has been years that the enthusiasm is still continuing, and it is they work very hard for the event. The generation has changed, but with the generation, the quality of the event and the standard has also risen. I'm very happy to see that.
Very nice experience doing all this, because all the previous events which we have done, they have been like official stuff. We had speeches, we were teaching the other students how to do, and this has been not very official event, but also teaching us a lot in the same way. This is sweet chutney for dahi puchka.
So basically for this event we have made puchka and dahi puchka for everyone. The journey has been really good, preparing for everything. The best part was interaction with everybody, and we were so friendly with everybody. And this is something we are preparing since morning, and the result has been really good. Like people have loved it, and everybody is very happy. So yes, we are also very happy.
I'm Ashna Gangwal from Loreto House, and LTS, I joined LTS to develop my leadership qualities, which I think are developing. So I've made a lot of new friends. It's the teamwork here, the things we learn, it's very interesting and enriching. Thank you.
No, but I think you missed one point, that on the leadership side also, it gives you a platform where you can know each other, different people, different students from different schools, how to have common mutual thought processes. So there is a lot of learning also which is included here, and for which I think it's good to join LTS. And being a parent, I am father of Ashna, Vikas Danwal.
You want any more parent you want? One more. नानी को देंगे
This is Ishika Jaiswal and LTS from St. Agnes' Convent Harbour Unit. I have been a part of the LTS family from past 4 years and I have been organizing events. So today here in this mini Ignite here in the LTS Center, I am here as a guest today. The overall experience with the LTS has been a lovely one. The people providing gestures here, and it's like a family. It's my second home, and the climax thing what I have learned here is that people from different institutions come here. We hold meetings here and organize events together, which enhances their leadership skills along with their speaking skills. We get to interact with people of different kinds. We get to know each other, and just like secularism has been a part of India all throughout, so it's a lovely experience overall.
Our time at LTS was a little bit of close affair, interaction, encounter, meets, etc.
It's wonderful to be here back again. It's like homecoming. I have been with the LTS for more than 50 years now, from 1967.
College life, service life, and we look forward to this get together again and again in days to come.
So much of activity going around. I still feel that the new generation has carried the legacy of LTS very well.
Binding force, not only amongst us seniors, but as LTS of today. The binding force is very strong and it brings us back every year. Thank you, LTS.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujan Medhya and I'm from QMS PC. I've actually joined LTS for my better improvement in speaking. Actually, I used to be very shy with everyone. So LTS has helped me to do many things. So I really want to thank, and this is my first Ignite or being the first OC. So thank you for the LTS. Thank you.
Very thankful for getting such a wonderful opportunity of being with everyone, and as hoped and planned, the mini Ignite was a great success. Thank you.
I'm really happy that today many people came and participated. I did not expect such a big crowd to come, and how everything went on in a very organized and a great manner, and I'm so happy that today was a great day.
First Ignite, organizing the first Ignite, and we couldn't believe that this was like so beautiful. People came, we collected so many coupons, it went out very smooth,
and it has been a very wonderful experience. For 4 weeks we have been coming twice a week, thrice a week preparing, and all that hard work showed up very well on the final day.
It was such a great event. The way we planned everything went so smoothly, and we all made different items. We learned so many things. It was fun as well as learning. So yes, and there was so much of footfall. We did not expect that. And yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Rushan and I am the coordinator for the food committee. And this is the Maggie stall. So what we are giving is the plain Maggie, the veg Maggie and the cheese Maggie, of course. What do you right now is nothing over here. Right now we haven't taken anything. Okay. So what is coming to buy?
Sharvi. Okay, fine. What is all about Wheel of Fortune?
So basically, you give me the token, and then you get the chance to spin the wheel, and whatever comes is your. Supposing you get win a prize and you get prizes from here, or one plate pani puri, then you get it free.
Many people came. It was great interacting with them. We made really good friends in the organizing team, and I'll cherish these memories forever.
And actually, we both were not even a part of our organizing team because we are so attached to this place. We just came as volunteers and to help with them, and we enjoyed a lot.
What have you prepared?
Waffles.
Hard and back-breaking, honestly, to make. I had made 13 pounds of brownie chocolate cake in 2 days, 2 nights actually. And I had taken help from people at home, but I had done most of the work myself. And bringing it here, seeing everybody eat it is fulfilling, and it is worth all the hard work.
My name is Preetha Maitra. Name is Color Saga. So basically within 45 minutes you have to complete the entire chart. You have to say the names of like which the colors are written. So suppose it's written grey with or green. So you have to say green, not grey. And you have to complete the entire chart within 45 seconds. We've got papri chaat, we've got papri, we've got aloo for the chaat, and we've got this container in which we make bye-bye chaat and corn chaat, and we've got dahi. Yeah, and we've got the cooking boxes right here. Yeah, and there's butter. And yeah, it's been an amazing day, amazing scene.
So why don't you tell me about this experience?
Each and every month and once a month we do it at home, and it has become a practice. So I've got being professional in this, and from past 3 nights I've been doing this.
Very delicious.
My name is Taha Zari. I'm from Muzaffarpur. I came here because my younger sister, she has a stall here. I came to see how do they organize the fete in LTS, and as for me it was pretty good for an organization. That's it.
Yeah, I'm Sahar, and it is really nice to see all the communities come together and work like this. It is really nice of Father to take in all kind of children and make them learn and do activities all together. Really nice to see all of it arranged so nicely.
Me, Kulsum Nani. I'm glad to be here and liked it very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening. My name is Preetha Maitra and I am from Loreto Day School, Dharamtala. And this is my first event which I am organizing, Ignite Edition 9. And I have learned from LTS how to organize such a big event like Ignite, how to coordinate with people, how to interact with others, teamwork, and I'm really enjoying today's evening. And tomorrow is the last day for Ignite, and I really wish it goes well.
I'm Preetha's mother, and I have sent her here so that she can develop herself as an individual. She can be well-mannered, and in the group she can how she should be in a group. She should take responsibility. Her speaking skills have to be developed. So I think she has done much better here in these few months, and I have seen her cooperating in the group also. Thank you.
My name is Sushida and I'm from Loreto Day School, Dharamtala. This is the second event that I'm organizing. The present situation in the country is not that well, and over here we are one family, irrespective of whatever religion we come from, irrespective of our background. We work here, we do all kind of work. There is no discrimination, there is no superiority. Each one has to do, like, from sweeping the floors to wiping the plates, we have to do everything. And Ignite, as we all know, is a non-sponsored program done by students. So yes, we learn a lot of things. We learn how to work in a team. We learn how to get going the work done within a given time. And yes, I am enjoying myself in Ignite. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are students from Loreto House, and through Ignite we have learned a lot of things, including the professional ways of learning basic things.
It has been one of my best learning experiences, and I have helped myself inculcate a lot of leadership qualities in me.
It has helped me inculcate qualities such as punctuality and better communication skills.
We've also made a lot of friends and memories which we're going to cherish for the rest of our lives.
We have learned how we should always be free time and not be on time, so that we can start our work on time.
I have learned how to do teamwork and coordination with everyone present.
The things that I have learned from LTS, number one of them being multitasking, and number two is that the power of commitment, and what if we have given one commitment, we have to complete it.
I have learned that how to organize everything in a very orderly manner and how to manage time properly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Interviewers liked me was because of LTS, because LTS taught me how to crack an interview, how to behave, how to reach on time and all that stuff, and I'll be indebted to LTS forever for giving me a new foreign family back in Dublin, Ireland, and I'll be very thankful to LTS forever. Thank you.
Things have changed down the years, and LTS now is far more important than it was then, because the values and principles that were right then are still right, but everything else that is happening around in the world has so much potential of the young generation of today going astray. LTS ensures that that doesn't happen. You serve people without looking at personal photo op, which is so common these days with selfies and everything. People are more busy propagating what is being done than in the actual doing itself. It was very important. It has been very important in my life to have been a part of LTS, and now being a businesswoman in the world where corruption is so-called king. When in my school, year before last, I was called up on the stage in Loreto, Lucknow, Syntagmus Loreto, Lucknow to be more precise. They said, what did you learn from the school and LTS, because it was an LTS meeting also. And I said, I learned not to give my best. So everybody was shocked. How can you say that you learned not to give your best? I said, I learned not to give my best. I learned to give my all. There was a hymn that they used to sing those days. It takes courage to answer a call. It takes courage to risk your all. It takes courage to be true